the year we started Adult Learners Week was the end of 12 months when, again, the national government said, it said there's no such thing as adult education, only further education towards the world of work. For anything very much before that, you are special, that this is important work, and also it's that their enthusiasm that encourages other people to think, well, I might have a go at this. In relation to Slovenia, Zoltan came and spent the week with us. He's an extremely creative and bright bloke, and went back and did it rather better in Slovenia. In Southeast Europe, well, that was you and your colleagues who coordinated the spread of Adult Learners Week in the Balkan countries. How wonderful the time I spent in Slovenia at the week, and how widespread in the smallest villages your impact has been. And looking at the charts you sent me this week, I mean, you've continued to make it grow in the weft of the full range of Slovenian society. There's an Indian adult educator, I'm sorry, long dead, who moved to the States, Harbans Bowler. And he said adult education is two things. It's classes and registers and structured timetables, curriculum and quality of offer. On the one hand, we can call that adult education as structure. But he said there's also adult education as culture, which is singing songs in the street and dancing and showing big exhibits of what you've done and taking what you've done into public places and stopping the traffic or creating a big festival in a park. And I took that very seriously. I thought we know how to do adult education as structure. What we have to do is to work on the culture. And that you could link the work of the lifelong learning weeks that you run to other developmental activity. I think that is distinctive about what the NGO can do. We found that the research we published every year always gave us a vehicle to make it public in the press for a week, actually.
Mm-hmm. Yes, numbers and examples.
Numbers
The
and
two,
examples,
yeah,
exactly.
both have to be, they have to be linked, and then you are really
Yeah.
successful
But you
with,
also have to have passion.
yes, passion is very,
Passion
very
is what
important.
makes it sing, I think.
Yes,
Hmm.
exactly.